Hello students. So today we shall consider the next concept, that is restriction enzymes. So what are these restriction enzymes? See here, enzymes, as you know, these are the biomolecules which increase the rate of a biochemical reaction. They are basically made of proteins. What is the meaning of restriction? Restriction means to inhibit, right? Restriction means to inhibit or to stop. So restriction enzymes, right? These enzymes, they restrict the growth of viruses. So these enzymes, they restrict the growth of viruses. Restrict means they control or they stop the growth of viruses. So such enzymes, they are called restriction enzymes, right? Now these enzymes, they are isolated from bacteria. So restriction enzymes, they are isolated from bacteria, different bacteria, right? So we obtain these enzymes, restriction enzymes, from bacteria. So these enzymes, since they restrict or stop or control the growth of virus, they are called restriction enzymes. So here the virus, it can be a bacteriophage. This virus, it can be a bacteriophage or simply a phage, right? So bacteriophage is a virus. Right? Bacteriophage is a virus that infects the bacterial cells. Right? It is a virus which attacks bacterial cells. So the enzyme produced in bacteria, right? The enzyme produced in bacteria which restricts or stops the growth of virus, it is called restriction enzyme. So restriction enzyme, in short, it is written as RE, right? So RE stands for restriction enzyme. Now the restriction enzyme that cuts the DNA, right? The restriction enzyme that cuts the DNA, it is called restriction endonuclease. Right? So restriction endonuclease, also written as REN. So REN stands for restriction endonuclease. So the restriction enzyme, right? The restriction enzyme that cuts the DNA is called restriction endonuclease. Fine? So restriction endonuclease is used to cut the DNA. Because of that, it is commonly called molecular scissors. They are called molecular scissors because they cut the DNA. Understood? So all restriction endonucleases, they are obtained from bacteria or they are isolated from bacteria. The first REN that was isolated, it was Hind 2, right? HIND Roman 2. So Hind 2 was the first Aryan that was isolated from a bacterium. So here it was isolated from which bacterium? So the name of the bacterium is So this is the bacterium, Haemophilus influenzae. So Haemophilus influenzae is the bacterium, and from this bacterium, this enzyme Aryan, that is restriction endonuclease HIND2, was isolated. Fine. So HIND2 belongs to strain. It belongs to strain RD, right? It belongs to strain RD, and it is type 2 RE. It is type 2 RE, means type 2 restriction enzyme, right? So here H stands for the generic name of the bacterium, that is Haemophilus. IN, next two letters, they indicate influenzae, right? So IN comes from influenzae. D is the strain, that is RD, and Roman 2, it is the number. So type 2 restriction enzyme. Followed, so HIND Roman 2, it was the first restriction endonuclease that was isolated from a bacterium called Haemophilus influenzae. So restriction endonuclease cuts the DNA at a particular base sequence, right? It cuts the DNA at a particular base sequence. So it is the sequence of 6 base pairs. It is the sequence of 6 base pairs. What are base pairs? These are the pairs of nitrogen bases, right? So base pairs are the pairs of nitrogen bases, right? Already I have studied that in the previous topic. So restriction endonuclease cuts the DNA at a particular sequence, right? That is called recognition sequence. It is called recognition sequence, right? So what is this recognition sequence? Recognition sequence is the sequence of base pairs, right, where Aryan acts, right? Or Aryan cuts the DNA at a particular base sequence, which is called recognition sequence, which is a sequence of 6 base pairs, right? So recognition sequence is also called recognition sequence is also called palindrome sequence, or it is also called restriction site, right? So recognition sequence, palindrome sequence, restriction site, all are same. So this is the site where Aryan cuts the DNA, right? So the meaning of palindrome. What is this palindrome? Palindrome is a group of letters that forms a word which reads same in forward or backward direction. I repeat, palindrome is a group of letters that forms a word which reads same in forward or backward direction. So I will give you one example of palindrome. So this is an example of palindrome. It is the name of the place, right? So it is a group of letters, G, A, B, A, G. These are all letters. So a group of letters that form a word that reads same in forward or in backward direction. So if you read in this forward direction, G, A, B, A, G, gadal. If you read it in backward direction, G, A, B, A, G, right? Then another word, radar, R-A-D-A-R in forward direction, R-A-D-A-R in backward direction. So such words, they are called palindrome, right? So these are the examples of palindrome. So what is this palindrome sequence? Right? What is this palindrome sequence? So palindrome sequence, it is the sequence of bases, right? It is the sequence of bases that read same in forward or backward direction, right? So such sequence, it is called palindrome sequence. So I will give you one example of palindrome sequence. So this is a palindrome sequence, right? So this is one example of palindrome sequence. Now why it is palindrome sequence? Just say this. So palindrome sequence is a sequence of bases, right? It is a sequence of bases that read same, right, in forward or backward direction. So if you consider in this direction, in phi 3 direction, GAAPTC. If you consider in this phi 3 direction, GAAPTC. So in forward or in backward direction, they read same, right? So such sequence, it is called palindrome sequence. So this we can call it as a restriction site or recognition site or recognition sequence or palindrome sequence. So this is the restriction site. This is the restriction site for an enzyme, right? For an enzyme or for restriction endonuclease. So which enzyme? So this is the restriction site for enzyme ECOR Roman 1, ECOR1, right? So that is about the palindrome sequence. So you may expect questions here. What are restriction enzymes? 1 mark question. Then you may expect other 1 mark questions like what is restriction endonuclease. Then you may expect a 1 mark question, what is a palindrome sequence, or another 1 mark question, mention the restriction site or mention the restriction sequence for enzyme ECOR1. So this you're right. So this sequence GAAPTC, right, which is same when it is read in phi 3 direction, or even in 3-5 direction, right? Even if you read it in 3-5 direction, it is same. So in 3-5 direction, if you read it, CTTAAG, in 3-5 direction, CTTAAG. So whether you read it in 5-3 direction or 3-5 direction, it is same. So such sequence is called palindrome sequence. Fine. So I hope this concept of restriction enzymes is clear to you, right? So we shall revise that in brief, right? We shall revise this in brief. So restriction enzymes, these enzymes, they are isolated from bacteria. So bacteria are the sources of these enzymes. They are called restriction enzymes because they restrict the growth of virus, especially bacteriophage. Already I have studied in first PUC, bacteriophage and its structure. So bacteriophage is a virus that infects bacterial cells, right? Then restriction endonuclease. What do you mean by this restriction endonuclease? So it is an enzyme, right? It is a restriction enzyme that cuts the DNA at a particular base sequence, right? So the restriction enzyme which cuts the DNA at a specific base sequence, it is called restriction endonuclease. The first restriction endonuclease discovered was Hind2, right, from a bacterium called Haemophilus influenzae, right? Then the recognition sequence or palindrome sequence or restriction site. So recognition sequence, what is this recognition sequence? So RN cuts the DNA, right? RN cuts the DNA at a specific base sequence. It is called recognition sequence. So it is a sequence of 6 base pairs, right? A sequence of 6 base pairs where RN cuts the DNA. It is called recognition sequence, or it is called restriction site, or it is called palindrome sequence, right? So palindrome sequence is the sequence of bases that reads same on both these strands in 5-3 direction. I repeat, palindrome sequence is a sequence of bases that reads same on both these strands in 5-3 direction. So this is the example of palindrome sequence. So it is a sequence of bases. So these are all bases, right? So sequence of bases that read same on both these strands in 5-3 direction or 3-5 direction, right? So such sequence is called palindrome sequence. So RN cuts the DNA at such palindrome sequence. So RN cuts the DNA at palindrome sequence, right? So with this, we shall conclude this video and we shall continue in the next video. Thank you.